A very good morning, dear students. So today we are going to talk about our social studies Telangana State Board class 10th chapter 7 settlement and migration. Okay, so in previous video we see all the important question, and in today's also video we are going to see that all the important and repeating questions. So here it is the notes, and let's see this one. So from here it is starting, and 20 marks is for your MCQ questions. So here MCQ questions is given. Okay, arrange the following in hierarchy. Right, you can see here Visakhapatnam is located on the coast of Andhra Pradesh, so here you have to write the answer like B. Okay, the main reason for the female migration is marriage, unemployment, business. Actually, female migration is depends on, I think, marriage, where its husband work, and I don't think about it, but you just read it. If your chapter you can write it. Seventh one is important because it will come in your 4 marks also. Okay, so it is important for 4 marks. Okay, right, so this is important. Then after here it is very short type of answer. What is a settlement? This is important. What do people migrate? Migrate means the people go from one place to another place, from native place to other place. Like let's suppose you are from Telangana and you are migrate Telangana to the Maharashtra. Okay, so this is a migration. Like the people from the Rajasthan peoples come to the Telangana, so this is a migration. Okay, like we are the Indians go to the America. This is the migration. When we go our native place to other place, from the states wise or country wise, this is called migration. Okay, what type of migration? So migration is also different types. Like Indians people migrate in their country. This is a different type of migration. Like I am from East India. I come to the Telangana. So this is our country migration, not from the other country migration. But if I go from India to other country, this come under different migration. But Indians travel in India, this is a different migration. And when the Indians travel the other country, this is a different migration. Okay, like if in your Telangana, if other state people come, this is a different migration. But if foreigners will come, okay, this is a other migration. Okay, so different mega cities and metropolitan cities, this is important. Write the brief of, okay, this 12th one is also important. Okay, right, so here it is given what are the advantage and disadvantage of urbanization. You can a big idea about it. Okay, what happened when people migrate? Okay, actually when the people migrates, they leave their states, and a lot of things will happen. The culture will change where they stay, they enjoy their cultures, they develop in their cultures, and we will see a lot of things. Okay, right, so well, this is still here only. Next chapter is Rampur. Okay, right, we will see in the next chapter the next one, the important question. But in this video till here it is only. So if you have any doubt, then you can just leave a comment and I will definitely reply to you. And if you really like this video, share with your friends, and we will meet on next video. Jai Hind.